Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can skill dunk in NBA 2K26. It's quite easy. To view the controls more clearly, you can hit option key, then go to options and just head over to controls. Right here, if you scroll till the end, you're gonna see the option called skill dunk, and just right here on the right side you can see the controls. We need to use left stick, right stick and RT key. If you have PS4, you need to use R2 key. So these three keys we're gonna use. Left stick is for the direction, RT key or R2 key is for the sprint, and right stick is for the dunk. Now let me show you how you can exactly do that. Firstly, we need to use the left stick towards the direction of the basket while holding RT or R2 key, and just use your right stick down and just release that when it get under the green area. Let's try it again. Move your left stick towards the direction while holding RT, and just like this you can do the skill dunk. And yeah guys, that's it for this video. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.